making stone tools. Stone tools were probably made using two different techniques. Okay, the first is called stone on stone. Here the pebble from which the tools was to be made, also called the core, was held in one hand, another stone which was used as a hammer was held in the other hand. The second stone was used to strike off flags from the first till the required shape was obtained. Second, pressures flagging. Here the core was polished on a filmed surface. The hammer stone was used on piece of bone or stone that was polished on the core to remove flags. The could be shaped into tools. Finding about a fire. Find the coronal caves on map. Traces as have been found here. This suggests that people were familiar with the use of fire. Fire could have been used for many things, as a source of light, to roast meat, and to scare away animals. What do we use fire for today? A changing environment. Around 12,000 years ago, there were a major change in the climate of the world, with a shift to relatively warm conditions in many areas. This led to development of grassland. This in turn an increase in the number of deer, antelope, goat, sheep, and cattle, i.e., animals that survived on grass. Those who hunted these animals now followed them, learning about their food habits and their breeding seasons. It is likely that this helped people to start thinking about herding and rearing these animals themselves. Fishing also become important. This was also a time when several grain bearing grasses, including wheat, barley, and rice, grew. Who naturally in different parts of the subcontinent, men, women, and children probably collected these grains as food and learned where they grew and when they prepared. This may have led them to think about growing plant on their own.